Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, we have a treat for you today. And I guess it's appropriate. We're in the month of October and we are doing a Country Chick Look collab, and this is hosted by the wonderful Miss Laurie Latimer. And she got us all together. There are going to be 12 creators in this collaboration. Laurie, of course, is our host, and we also have Tracy and Chloe's Unboxing, Beauty, and More. Now, Tracy has helped out with this collab by getting our playlist together, so it'll make it easy for you to just click and go see all the channels at your convenience. We also have Real Life with Hope, and I want to give an acknowledgement to Hope as well. Hope helped out with the creative part of this collaboration. She did our ad and she did the thumbnails for us. So thank you, Hope. We appreciate you. And the others in this collaboration that will be giving a Country Chick Look are Alice Lynn, I Love Being a Grammie, Shannon Carroll, Beautifying MZ, and that is Mary in case you don't know, Life with Lois, Hillbilly's Creativity, and that is Leslie, and Anne's Amazing Adventure. Now, Anne may be new to me, she may be new to you. Some of these may be new to all of you, I'm not sure, but Anne is definitely new to me. Laurie's Life is also in this collaboration, Blatcher, and of course, myself, Miss Jackie Russell. Now, part of the rules of this collaboration and giveaway, there will be a giveaway with each channel. You must be subscribed to all channels, and all channels are doing a giveaway. Now, what I am doing is a get ready, so to speak. This is me with just full makeup on. And I did bring my makeup, my skincare with me to show, because many times I get asked by several of you, what am I doing with my skin? So I thought I would show you after I wash it, and I usually wash with a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil, just so you know. And there's not really any particular brand. Lately I've been using Dirty Lamb cleansing oil and a vitamin C cleansing balm, and I didn't bring that in here, shame on me, but just to let you know what cleansing I'm using. After I do that, I put on Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Now this I use day and night, so it's not just for the evening. I use that. Then right after that soaks in, I put on Perfectionist Pro. This is a firming serum. It's a rapid firm and lift, and it has, I can't pronounce that word, I don't even know if you can even see it, acetylhexapeptide 8. I don't know if that's how you say it, but I put that on, just one little pump. Then after I have that on, I put on my eye cream, and again, I am using Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I use this day and night. I do use a couple other creams every once in a while, but this is the one that I found that does not irritate my eyes in any way, so I love it, and it does a good job in my opinion. And then I put on this moisturizer, and this is the Revitalizing Supreme Plus Bright. And these are the Estee Lauder products that I use starting off my program. They had asked me about this within the last 6 weeks, and at first I told them I really wasn't doing anything different, and then I realized I had gone back to my complete Estee Lauder regimen. So maybe 3 months ago I might have been doing different things, use some Estee Lauder here and there, but the last 6 to 8 weeks it has been Estee Lauder for the most part. After I do that, I do have a primer that I use that is not Estee Lauder, and it is the Becca, and you can't read that, but this is the Backlight Highlighter and Primer, and I love this primer, and I don't know what I'm going to do when it's not available anymore, because this is almost empty. Not only does this work really well, it smells so good, and if any of you ever knew Lady Love Cosmetics, it smells just like their cosmetics, which was wonderful. I used to be a representative for them. And then after I finish that Becca primer, I will be switching over to the Estee Lauder Illuminator Primer, which is probably similar to the Becca, because in case you don't know, Becca is owned by Estee Lauder and along with other companies. And then after that, I used my Estee Lauder Double Wear Fix and Concealer, and I use a light shade on that around my eyes. After that, I got on my Estee Lauder Hydra Rescue, and I only brought this particular one in. This is also a moisturizing makeup. It's a broad spectrum. It has an SPF 45. I also add in a little bit of a darker color of Estee Lauder Double Wear. So I have that mixed, and I forgot to bring that in. So I have on 2 different foundation colors mixed to get this color. And then after I have set my eyes with my concealer, I always top it off with a Estee Lauder translucent loose powder to set it. So that is my look right now. I'm going to go finish my makeup, my eyes and everything, contouring what I'm going to do. And I'm going to get dressed, and when I come back, I will be in my country chick look outfit, and you will see what I did, and we'll go from there. But for right now, I'm going to let you all go, and I'll be back soon. Thank you. Hi guys, I'm back, and this is my finished look. What do you think? I'm kind of a urban country chick. Let me back up here and show you my outfit. Got my boots on. These boots are from 1980. Yep, the only cowboy or cowgirl boots that I have. My father-in-law bought these for me for a Christmas present. I guess he thought, married a son from Texas and should have some cowboy boots. And with that, he got me this belt, which has my name on the back. And that's about as where I could put it to fit me, because I am a little bigger now. But that is my country look. What do y'all think? I've got me a little urban hat that I got from my FabFitFun. I've had this old blue jean jacket for a while. And then this here is something country from the 80s that I found in my jewelry. So I decided to put that on. It had the silver. It's a little spiky and a little urban-like. So yeah, this is my look. And on my makeup, which you may not be able to see too well with my hat, but I did bring everything out that I have on my eyes. I went with several different things, and I had already showed you how I prepped. And then what I went with shadows was 3 different palettes. And of course, I am using my palettes from my Advent Calendar project. So I went with Estee Lauder Golden Goddess palette, and I have the browns on in there. All the neutrals is all I use from this palette, including a little bit of the white on the inside of my eye. And then I put the lighter browns all over. And then, of course, I use the dark brown. And that's what's mostly in my crease there, with a little bit of pinky color. And on the pinky color, I use this palette. And this is Babe Blue is all I know is what the name of it is. If you know something different, you can let me know. Got this from the Goldie Boxed. I use that pink. I use a little of that lighter pink. And I use some of this Goldie color. So I got those 3 colors on. And then from my Estee Lauder Glamour palette, I just wanted to lighten it up a little bit. So I used this very light pink right here. Maybe I'll do it this way. I use this pink right over here. And as you can see, I still haven't made much pan in that. But those were my shadows that I put on my eye. As far as my liners, I had 2 different liners that I used. And I guess I didn't bring the other one in here. But I used a Estee Lauder brown, and I used a little bit of the Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is Cobalt Blue. This is one of my favorite liners. I love that blue. And I have that on my lash line. And I have brown all around. And then on my eyebrows, I've got my BBB, my $1 Billion Eyebrow Pencil, which is universal color. So that's on my eyebrows. And then my mascara was the Estee Lauder Sensuous Extreme. And I also, on my blush, I used Milani, which I got this from Wendy Jean. And Wendy Jean, I've been enjoying this blush. It's a nice, pretty color, and it suits me well. And so this is my basic look every day. When you see me with makeup, I have all this on. And then they'll also use the Bronze Goddess Estee Lauder contouring. And I've got that, of course, in contouring places around here and down below. But that is another pretty palette that I like using. And as far as my lips, I have 4 different products on. I have this Jane Iredale. I don't know exactly how you pronounce that, but I love this liner. It goes on really good and it stays. And I found that in my collection and started using it and found that I loved it. And then as a base, I've got on the Ruby Lou MAC. And this is a deep kind of blue-red. And I put that on as a base because it's a matte. And then to moisturize it a little bit, I add on my Becca, which I'm getting down to getting finished. So that's on top of that to give it a little bit of moist. I like moist. I don't like it to be dry feeling. And then I topped it off with my Buxom, and this is Noel. So that is my look. What do you think? Am I a country chick or what? I mean, you know, a little bit different maybe. And then I didn't have an actual cowboy hat, but this would be more my style any old ways. So this is me with my country style look. Now, hey guys, there is a giveaway with this collaboration. You must be 18 years or older. You must have an address within the Continental USA and or Canada. I'm starting to open up a little bit, so we'll try that out and see how it goes. But this will be opened up to both. And you must be subscribed to all 12 channels. And again, I will have a playlist and links to all those channels down in the bottom. Make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that if you're new to them, that you watch the video at least 4 minutes before you subscribe. YouTube doesn't take your subscription right away, so you do need to like, watch the video, and then make a comment and listen to the rules, because everybody will have different rules. In my giveaway, the secret code is going to be chick. Just use the word chick in a sentence and you will be entered into my giveaway. My giveaway will last for 2 weeks. So it is opening up today on October 16th and it will end on October 30th, I believe. It'll be on that Sunday around 5 o'clock. The winner will be announced on October 31st. So just in time for Halloween, right? What's going to be in this giveaway? All right, there'll be several items in this giveaway, and like I said, you got to use the word chick. We are going to have a Tony Moly aloe mask. We are going to have a Vapeur, and this is a stick, so it can be used for lips and your cheeks. It's very nice. Let me show it to you. I got this out of FabFitFun. It looks like this, and then this is the color. So you can use it for your lips or your cheeks. And it's very, very nice. We are going to have this little makeup case. And it's just a simple little case. You can put a few things in there, probably for on the go in your purse. And you're going to get some Go Susan Glow Gaia. That'll prime up your face and all over. You're going to get this mini makeup eraser. You're going to get this scented tea tree oil roll-on essential oil. We've got one more item. You'll get the Athena Lorizzi palette, and let's see what this one looks like. It has a cover on it, but I'm going to just show you the colors. It's a neutral palette in the pinks, and it's very pretty. That is my giveaway: the Athena palette, the makeup remover, the essential oil and tea tree oil, the little cosmetic bag, the Vapeur stick, it's for lips and cheeks, and the aloe face mask, and the Glow Gaia. This is a firming neck and decolletage glow cream. So enjoy, and that'll be for one lucky winner. And like I said, use that word and you will be entered. Now that is all I have today for our Country Chick Look collab. I hope you enjoyed it. And I really appreciate you being here. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are currently going on. Several had ended, but there are others that are going on. I have my advent calendar series going on, and there are several giveaways in that, as well as some Monday Mask collabs and other things. So be sure and check it all out. I want to thank Laurie for inviting me to this wonderful collab. I had such fun with it, and it was such a great idea. And if you haven't visited Laurie, you need to. She does have like a Sunday night live on many Sundays. Every once in a while she may not have it, but it's usually around 9 o'clock at night, and she just kind of gets on there and everybody just chats away. So it's very fun. So go and see her and check out all the other ladies. They're all worth your time, and I'm sure you will love their country chick look. So as for today, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.